Once you bleach your knots correctly, if you follow my steps, and I want you guys to know that I do not have on a ball cap, okay? Oh, you make me wanna talk back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to give you guys a video on how to bleach your knots correctly on a frontal or a closure, okay? Do it on either one. I will be using a 20-inch frontal from Amazon. What you're going to need in this video is 30 volume developer, the BW2 bleaching powder. You're going to need a mixing bowl, mixing brush, and a silicone brush. You're going to need some water so you can go ahead and spray that baby hair back and not get any bleach on it, all right, sis? Also, when you go to wash it out, you're going to need, it don't have to be the cool blonde like I use, but this works wonders. So I suggest using this one, or you can use any purple shampoo that tone like blonde colors. Basically, that's all it does is tone blonde colors so it won't be raspy, all right? So this video is just going to show you basically step-by-step instructions on what to do. And if you stay tuned for the end of the video, you will see where I actually come on camera and show you guys exactly how it turned out. All right. I'm also going to show you guys exactly how thick or how consistent your dye need to be. Your bleach needs to be. So you're going to use like 2.5 scoops because you want more bleaching powder than the developer. Like, you do not want it to be running. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean by that. And do not mind my hands. Yes, I got the bleach everywhere because I'm a little messy Betty, but it's cool. All right, so you're just going to pour a little bit in there and we're going to get the mix in. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean about you want it to be consistent enough to not run through the knots. All right, so as I'm mixing it, you're going to see where I actually mix and mix and mix, and then I'm going to place the brush up and I'm going to show you exactly the step I'm talking about. All right, so in this step, if your brush do not stand up, as you're about to see, if the brush do not stand up inside of the mixing developer like this, then you know that it is too runny and you need to make it a little thicker. But being that the brush stood up on its own, that is perfectly fine. That means it's just right. All right, as long as you get your brush to stand, that means it's just right. You don't want it too runny. You want it like, I won't even say pancake mix, or you just want it a little thick so it won't bleach through. And use light strokes, guys. I promise you this is a good method on bleaching your knots. All right, so stay tuned for the end, and I'm gonna go ahead and come on camera and talk with you guys and show you exactly how it looks. And I'll see you at the end of this video.
Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm on the camera now to show you guys how it actually looked for the final outcome of bleaching your knots. So in the steps in the beginning of the video, I showed you basically what you're going to use: 30 volume developer, BW2 powder, mixing bowl with a spoon, and make sure, well, you don't have to, but I like to use a silicone brush because it smooths it out more for me. And also this right here, guys, this is key. Okay, because I noticed when I tried to show you in the beginning, it was a little blurred out. So this right here is key, guys. Key, guys. This is called color. Nope, not even color. I'm sorry. Oops, sorry. This is called Cool Blonde Ion Shampoo Color Solutions. So basically what it do is tone colors like blonde and gray things like that. So when you bleach your knots, you know, it gives you that raspy orange looking tone. And you know, if you put purple on top of like an orange color, it tones it. That's basically what it does. It tones it and brings it down so it won't be so rusty looking. So basically this is what this does. All right, so this is what it look like. You can get this from Sally's. They got bigger bottles, but I decided to get this one because like I tell you guys all the time, you girls shop on a budget. You feel me? This stuff is not cheap. I think I paid like $8 for this one bottle. So imagine how much the bigger bottle was, and it wasn't even that much difference. But you can get it from Sally's. And what you do, because I left out the clip and I thought I inserted it, but it disappeared from my phone for some reason. So what you do is, once you let the the mix sit on your knots, once you let the mix sit on your knots for like 15 to 20 minutes till it start bleaching the knots and turning it, you just basically take this and wash it out. Like, you want to put it on, like, skirt, put it on there, rub it, do this little thing right here. You want to make sure you're working hard to get those raspy out of there. If you want to let it sit in water for like a good 30 minutes to an hour, that will work too. But I just go ahead and wash it. I don't got time to be waiting for it to sit. I just go ahead and wash it out. But you can do that. So this is the outcome of how it actually looks once you bleach your knots correctly, if you follow my steps. And I want you guys to know that I do not have on a ball cap, okay? So this is just the color. I don't have on no ball cap. This wig is sitting right on top of my braids, I kid you not. But I bleached the knots to the T, guys. All right. So that is basically how it look. And that is how you get your bleach knots. I'm not saying that it's perfect, but I'm saying it's a step to help you guys know how to bleach your knots good enough to where you don't have to wear a ball cap, because I know not all the time you want to put them ball caps on. It's annoying. So I do not have a ball cap. But like I said, we all learning from each other, because I still look on YouTube personally to learn certain things too. So it is all good in the hood. I'm glad I can help somebody. If somebody can take notes from this, I'm glad I can help you, that you were the person that I can help. So yeah, but you guys make sure to go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Also, like, and guess what, I got a broke nail, but it's cool. Guess what, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure to turn on your post notifications so you can get an update every time I post a new video. And guess what else, go ahead and swipe up to my next video, because the next video will be giving you a hair review on this hair. So I want you guys to go ahead and jump into that, and let's find out more about this deep wave hair that I got shopping cute on a budget. Swipe up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.